Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Acura TSX. Okay, so when I unlock a vehicle, I always come over to the passenger side of a vehicle. Doesn't matter what side you go to, it's just a matter of preference. You can go to either side. No, me putting that rod on the car is not going to damage it, so you don't have to put any stupid comments down below. I use Access Tools Super Air Jack. This is an airbag bladder, fills with air, has this little pump on it, this little valve right here. You stick it in a door, it fills with air, that pries the door out, it gives you access inside the vehicle. You can order this from Access Tools online or call their phone number and talk to someone about getting these tools. If you don't have one of these tools and you're doing this yourself at home, you can go to Home Depot, get a similar airbag from the door and window aisle. It'll work almost as good as this one. This one's made out of Kevlar instead of rubber, so it'll slide through the door a little bit easier than the rubber ones. So deflate the bag all the way, usually, and then put it through the door frame. So once you get it through the door frame like so, give yourself like a 4 or 5 inch gap. Close the little valve right here, this little thing that keeps the air trapped in the bag. Pump it up, and when you pump it up, it fills with air, and then you can pry the door outward like so. Once you see that gap inside, you know you've got it opened up far enough. You don't need to keep pumping it all the way over to the neighbor's house and bend your door. Also, if you don't have one of these airbags and you're doing this yourself, you can use a wood or a plastic wedge, like a door stopper. That works almost as good as well. And then once you have that done, you're going to want to use a metal rod like this. This is a 1/4 inch metal rod coated in plastic. This is also from Access Tools, patent pending. You can call their phone number or go on their website and get one of these. It is coated in plastic, like I said. Has this rubber tip on the end of it, so it has friction at the end to flip locks and hit unlock buttons without slipping off like a metal rod would do if it didn't have a rubber tip. If you don't have one of these, you can go to Home Depot and buy a metal rod and bend it up, and definitely make sure you tape it up because you don't want to crack your windshield or something stupid. And once you have your rod, or you've made your rod, you want to go ahead and fish it through the door like so. Once you get it into the vehicle, come over to your flipper lock, which you guys can barely see here, but you'll see in just a second. You get your tool like so, flip the lock backwards. I think maybe it goes forward on this one. It's been a minute since I've done one of these. Yeah, this one goes forward. Okay, so flip the lock forward, pull your tool back out, and deflate your bag, or pull your wood wedges or plastic wedges out, because you want the door to bend itself back to where it came from, so that way it won't be damaged and you won't have any air or water coming in when you're driving down the road. And open up your door, and now that I have the door open, I'll just show you with a better view what I'm doing with the reach tool. I got my old truck with me today. Alright guys, so come through the door like so, right? Get behind the little flipper lock right here. This is why the rubber tip is very important, because otherwise it would just slip off and aggravate the crap out of you. So put it behind the flipper lock like so, and nudge it forward, and with the rubber tip, or if you take a metal rod and tape up the tip with electric tape and then flip the tape backwards so it'll be extra sticky, you can just flip it forward like that and it will unlock the vehicle. I'm not sure if, yeah, pulling the handle won't unlock it, and neither will hitting the unlock button. So that's how you unlock it. You can see there's no scratches to the paint, no tearing to the weather stripping, no scratches on your door panel. When you shut your door, it's nice and tight and flush, how it should be. This one looks like it's actually bowed out a little bit from somebody else unlocking it before me. Oh, I think I locked the door again. Guess we'll have to do this again. Send it in there, put it behind the flipper, push it forward, pull it out, deflate the bag. Alright, and if your door is bent like this one, just take your knee, put it in the door like so, and pull back, and you'll be able to bend the door backward. And when you shut it, it'll be a little bit tighter than it was before, and you could do that a number of times until you get it completely flush. So that one is a lot better than it was. So there you go. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's how to unlock your Acura TSX. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop me a comment. Let me know if I helped you out, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.